You cut, adjust, recut, and the edit really never feels done. Most creators don't quit content, they just get stuck. This is the part of editing that slows most people down. Not effects or color, but trimming. The cutting phase is one of the most important parts of your timeline. This is where most time is lost, and it's not because you're a bad editor or that you're slow. It's mainly because of your structure, and this is why your consistency breaks. As you can see, I'm in DaVinci, and part of having a good structure is eliminating things that you repeat every single time you start a project. Starting off with this clip here, I can drag it into the timeline and instantly get to cutting. Now this is only possible because I already have my bins and folders set up, which means I don't have to go through footage and organize it, even though it's only just one clip. But you get the gist. At this point in time, I'm not trying to make the video look good. I'm just removing what doesn't belong. And this is where most people overthink. Like I said, I start off by removing dead weight or things that don't belong, which would be right here, pockets of empty sound, or just, I know for a fact there's nothing going on right here. So I can easily trim my footage down within seconds. What changed everything for me wasn't speed, it was having a system. Having a system allows me to not have to recreate a lot of the same things that I would use in everyday projects. Whether that be cuts or transitions, I can easily reuse things and not have to waste so much time starting from scratch over and over again. You may be asking why this matters. It matters because now my timeline feels lighter. I'm able to focus solely on color grading or effects, transitions, whatever it may be, and get the base of my edit done quicker than if I were to just go through the normal footage and try to make my precision cuts, trimming, effects, color grading, etc. all in one go. This process allows me to focus solely on one action at a time and then move on to the next when it's complete. And after finally being done with the trimming, I can focus on what actually is going to make the video pop. This is where I can dump all my creative thoughts into making the video look good, sound good, feel good, etc. And as you can see, I've done quite a few things which were only possible due to me being able to get the timeline down to a more precise level than what I started with. This is the same setup I reuse every time, whether it be for short form or long form. I packaged it simply because people kept asking about it. This is exactly how I'm going to be consistent all 2026. It's a project file, shortcuts, and a cutting order. If trimming is what slows you down, this fixes that. I'll leave a link down below if you want to see it.